Hello, my online owls. This week for art, you watched the slideshow and decorated a kimono with your markers and colored pencils. This week, the kids in class got this red metallic paper and have started etching it and decorating it with jewels. The younger kids could etch a kimono and decorate it, and the older kids did the spiral trees, and the oldest kids were able to do whatever they wanted. But you know how Gustav Klimt did those spiral branches on his tree of life, that they had a choice, the students here had a choice of one or the other. So the best way I thought that we could give you a chance to do some etching is, I thought if you found a piece of cardboard and cut it to a shape, and then you can get a strip of tinfoil and cut it to be just bigger than your cardboard piece that you found. It doesn't have to be that big or take much of the tinfoil. It might be a good idea to if you want to mess up, you can start again. So I just got the cardboard, and then I'm going to wrap the tinfoil around. Oh, you can decide whether you want the shiny side out or the more smoky side out. I think because Gustav Klimt used gold leaf, I'm going to put the shiny side out to make it extra shiny. And so just wrap the tinfoil around a piece of cardboard. If you want to tape it to get it to stay, that would be good. But you want the tinfoil to be pretty smooth. And then I have these pointed dowels that you could then etch. But if you don't have a dowel, you could use maybe the back of a brush. Even the plastic brushes would work. Or even just a dull pencil. You wouldn't want it too sharp because you don't want to tear through the tinfoil. But now you can just design, see how it's etching in the tile, my design, and you can design whatever you want. You can do another kimono like you did in the project. You could even put the paper down on your square and trace it with the pencil and draw your design, and it would etch through. Let's see. I'll do that. I should even just show you how my design can etch through. So I drew that design on my kimono, and now it shows on my etching. So you can do that, or you could do a tree or whatever design you want and etch just draw with the dull pencil. See how that started to tear? You don't want it to be too sharp. And then once you get your design etched in, then you can take some plastic jewels if you happen to have any. And these ones are stickers, so you just peel off the sticker cover on the back and stick them down. Or you can even use old earrings, or I got this old earring that I found Maybe you can ask your mom if she has any old earrings that you could have or borrow. You could probably give them back even after you take a picture of your artwork. Maybe some thumbtacks might add an interesting element, or I have some ball thumbtacks that you can add. Just buttons, anything you want to decorate your artwork you can stick on there. So just have fun with it, decorate. My thumbtacks and earrings are poking through, but I would probably just do the artwork, take a picture, and then I can give my mom her earring back and put the thumbtacks back if they're sticking out the back. But you can find buttons and anything you want to decorate your etching to practice what Gustav Klimt would have used in his artwork, and you can make your own artwork with that same style. So just have fun with it, and then take a picture and send it to me when you're done. Happy etching!